umbrella crescent cockatoo. Now guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 bicycle na jumbo sakay Padiak so Padiak ito'y pa-first placer pa-Ironman sikat yun para lang good boy jumbo. Now to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry about po because tuturuan tayo ni Jumbo paano gumamit ng scooter. Ayan, kung kaya mag-bike, kaya din mag-scooter guys. So Jumbo, sakay ulit po eh. And padiyak na naman. O dahan-dahan ha. Medyo madulas yung demo ulit. Para lang. Good boy Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. You can also help by doing reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose in some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre, kanyang pogi mayor na si Kuya G. Mar. Ayan, uwi na sila. By the way, guys, here in Davao Province,